Hey, you guys, real quick. Look, I'm seeing majority of the black people. And if it's anybody else, then hey, the message is for you too, right? But why are we so concerned about them taking these guns, huh? Everybody, they taking our guns. They infringing on our rights for our guns. Guns. Do y'all know how many motherfucking laws that need to be passed, should have been passed, that need to be in place? That's way more important than some fucking guns. Huh? We got motherfuckers out here catching Ricos. You got your husbands out here who can catch a rape case because you told his ass no because you was mad at him. Then now you mad at the nigga and you going to tell the authorities that he raped you and he could be charged with rape. We just got so many other different laws that need to be passed that we should be focused on. And we just so focused on these motherfucking guns. They've been shooting for so many years. 20 years plus different shootings has been going on, okay? That has been going on. Remember Elliot Roger, I think his name was? That was like, 15 years ago, 10 years ago. He mad at the couples and shit. He mad. He a virgin, 20 years old in California. The nigga get mad and go and get mad at couples. Go shoot up the pretty girls at the motherfucking deli and shit that he knew hang out there because they talking to the football players. And this nigga going shoot up the whole deli, shoot his roommates. This nigga just walking around mad because don't nobody want to be with his ass. And in his mind, he ain't even tried to go and court any females to even know if they would want to be with his ass or not. And he get mad and want to go shoot up every motherfucking body. It's just been so many shootings other than this. And what have they done? They came out and said, oh, we going to take these guns. We need to do something about these gun rights. Here, Biden old ass out here talking about, yeah, we need to do something like he not the president. This nigga coming up here talking about, yeah, we need to do something. Nigga, you the president, you do something. What the fuck? But everybody talking about the guns, they taking the guns. It's other things that we should be worried about other than that. Is we serious? That's all we focus on is some fucking guns? Wow. And I'm just seeing the black people talk about this shit. They ain't took the guns yet, y'all. 20 plus years. They ain't changed no laws since. 20 plus years since all these shootings. Yeah, they come out and say the same motherfucking thing. And what you're ruffling your motherfucking family. Hey, come and take these guns. They gonna take our rights for our guns. You got Ricos out here, like I say. You got Ricos. You got motherfucker. You got so many other laws. You know what I'm saying? They take the guns, then what? Then maybe you won't have people out here. Goddamn, just shooting people for nothing. Yeah, they'll still be able to get the guns. We still gonna find a way to have some guns, even if they take the rights away to have our guns. We still know how to illegally go and do some shit, no matter what the fuck they say any goddamn way. So what the fuck? But I think that we should be more focused on other things that are way more important than that. That if we came together like we are and talking about these guns and ready to go out here and war over, oh, you're not finna take my motherfucking gun. Then there's just so much shit that we could be getting done if we had that same energy for some other shit that need to be changed. Yeah, black people, come on now. Look, I get it. I get the gun. They trying to take them and that ain't right and all. I get all that. But when you actually sit down and think about it, there are a lot of other things that need to be done other than that. Yeah. And that could be done a lot faster. And if we put our minds together like we are about, no, we need to speak out about this. We need to speak out about these motherfucking guns and them taking our rights for our guns. If we put our minds together like that, then I think that there could have been a change in a whole lot of other laws and rights had we put that same energy into that. Come on now, there's so many other important things that we could be doing and thinking about and talking about other than some fucking weapons. Go take your ass and go and motherfucking learn some martial arts, some karate, goddamn boxing, some sword lessons like Pharaoh. Goddamn, go and get you a sword. Start jumping your ass up in the backyard and practicing your goddamn self, okay? Yeah. Go do that. Huh? Your gun up in your closet with dust on it still. Motherfucker ain't. So they just finna come and break in and just take your motherfucking guns. Is you serious? Y'all are crazy. And y'all just really sitting here thinking they finna take these guns. When we could be thinking about something totally motherfucking different. It could have been made a change in a whole lot quicker than them thinking about taking some guns. Then you got Biden up here talking about, yeah, we need to do something about this. Biden, you the president. You do something about it. It starts with you, you motherfucking idiot. With his old ass. This nigga need to be in somebody motherfucking home. Not up talking in no conferences and shit. Yeah, no, he don't. He just don't look fit for a president. With his frail looking ass. He look like he getting early signs of dementia. The nigga just seemed just totally not in his right motherfucking mind. And y'all really taking him serious about taking some motherfucking guns. But like I said, it is so many other things we should be worried about other than that. Especially black people. Yeah. We walking around with no rights and no rights whatsoever motherfucking ever. We still trying to hold on to that motherfucking gun right, huh? We need to be changing some other laws. That shit that's fucked up in this country that pertains to us. But here we are around here going on campaigns and doing videos talking about how we feel about a fucking gun that we know when some shooting happens, that's the first thing they're going to say. They're going to talk about taking the guns. They should take them motherfuckers to tell you the truth. Shit. If you ask me, oh, I'm unsubscribing. What you talking about? They need to take our guns. Yeah, I'm unsubscribing. Like I'm finna come take the gun and shit. Y'all motherfuckers have lost y'all minds. Really, black people? Are we serious? Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, this shit sounds ridiculous. It's just pathetic, you guys. It's pathetic. They know what to do to distract us. We talking about some other shit and them distracting us. No, they know what to do. Tell them we gonna take them guns. Yeah. Had they ass focus on that. Yeah, while we do this other shit. While we change this law where they ass can't do this and can't do that and don't have a right for this. Yeah, let's do that. Half of you motherfuckers you got motherfuckers around like catching Ricos for nothing. They putting different laws that should have been changed goddamn over 200 years ago, and it's still law, and they using that law to lock niggas up. And we sitting over here worried about a motherfucking gun. Is y'all serious? The gun that we don't ever even use? Yeah. We had the gun for over 20 years, ain't never had to pull the gun out on no motherfucking body. Yeah. So what we so worried about taking the guns? Okay. What? Oh, because now the police just gonna have the gun and the authorities just gonna have the gun and they just finna come in and just start shooting some motherfuckers, right? Is that what's playing out in your head? This shit is crazy. You know what? I'm not even finna play with y'all today. I'm not even finna play with y'all on this Thursday. It's the weekend. I'm not finna be playing with y'all. Not today. And I forgot to add, too, that when you think about it, black people, okay, minorities, all right? Even if they're not poor, but that's mostly how we die. That's mostly how we are killed. We are killed with guns. The gangs, you don't have too many people out here just strangling motherfuckers like that or stabbing them to death. You mostly got them just shooting your ass. Yeah. Kids getting killed with stray bullets. I mean, innocent people. That's mostly how we got. It's from a gun. Yet we going around here, people who are carrying legal weapons, and all we're talking about is them taking our guns. You know what I'm saying? Like, really? And that's how we're pretty much dying, even if it's not a mass shooting. Just every day, just how many people die in the hood from a motherfucking gun? Yeah. How many people die from a gun? And we, like I said, and we just so worried about, oh, they finna take our guns or our gun rights or Like, to me, look, I understand where you guys are coming from when it comes to, oh, we should have that right. I understand that. I get it. But when you really sit down and think about it, it's like, you haven't even used your gun. Like I said in the lab, you ain't never had to pull your motherfucking gun out to protect yourself. So what the fuck are you sitting here talking about and worried about them taking your gun for? Like, what? I don't get it. I don't get it. It's not like you got several stories throughout the years of how you had to pull out your motherfucking weapon because somebody done came in and tried to rob you, or someone tried to come in and just kill you and they was on drugs, and or how you had to defend yourself with your legal weapon because this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying, did something to you where you were in the right to take his life or take their life or take her life, or I mean, you had to protect your family, so you had to pull out your legal weapon to go in. I mean, we ain't got no stories out here like that. All the story with guns is, it's no stories like that where you just using your gun legally, killing the motherfucker. So why are the legal armed motherfuckers sitting here talking about, oh, you know what I'm saying, they're so worried about taking their guns? Y'all just thinking about yourself. Like, y'all not thinking about how many killings is going on with guns. I mean, you don't think that they actually need to do something about these guns and taking these guns? You know what I'm saying? Now, do I agree with them taking your rights for it and all this and that? Okay, no, I don't. But then again, it's like, what do? You know? I mean, like, come on now. We got all the answers in the world. We should be doing this and they should that and they this and that. We got all the motherfucking answers when it comes to a gun and us having our rights for a fucking gun. But we ain't got no answers for nothing else. We ain't got no motherfucking plan for shit else when it comes to the black community. We ain't got nothing else. All we just focus on every time this come around, when it has to do something with the motherfucking gun, we out here, we rallying for don't take our motherfucking guns. Are y'all serious? I'm going to end with this. The question I think people should be asking themselves, who are legal gun owners, who going around talking about they taking our guns, they shouldn't take our guns, right? Is why they shouldn't take your gun. I don't want to hear about no laws, no goddamn codes, no goddamn penal codes. I don't want to hear about no motherfucking speeches, nothing. I want to hear your personal, what you feel, how did your legal gun come in handy for you and protect you, and why they shouldn't take it because you need it for this, that, and this. I don't want to hear about shit else. I don't want to hear no speech. I want to hear about why. What's your personal experience of why, you know what I'm saying, they shouldn't take your motherfucking gun? How many times did you have to use it, cock it, aim it, fire it, in any situation? Okay, that's what I want to know. That's what I want to know. That's what you should be asking yourself. Because, like I said, I don't hear no motherfucking stories, personal stories, of any legal gun owner talking about, you know, I had to use it for this. See, you don't hear no stories out there like that. What you gonna say? Oh, they ain't finna put them stories out there. Okay, well then let me hear your motherfucking story. Since you running around here talking about they don't need to take the guns and infringing the rights on the guns and the guns and the guns. Let me hear. All we hear in the motherfucking videos and the songs is guns. I'm shooting you this, blowing your head off with that. Yeah, you scared to come outside. Y'all want to yeah, come and get this smoke. Come and get this. I'm going to aim that. You got motherfuckers doing the sign language now, pointing. You got motherfuckers cocking guns in TikTok videos, doing videos, pretty females cocking guns and putting it. You just, they need to burn the motherfucking guns. When you ask my motherfucking ass, okay? Yeah, this is too much with these motherfucking guns. Yeah, it's something behind this. What the fuck you just so worried about some guns for? And you ain't even never was in danger or had to use your motherfucking gun. But you got so much to say about it. Bye. This shit is ridiculous, y'all. Here, I keep saying lastly, but look, I wanted to add this too, right? Black men, right? Y'all out here barely got a motherfucking right to your own child that you gave birth to. Okay? Yeah. Barely have a right to your own human child that's your seed. Your baby. Barely got a right to do any motherfucking thing. Your ass could get locked up if she call and yell and scream and say you hit her ass and they don't even see no bruises on her ass. Your ass can be locked up for domestic violence. And that shit can be on your motherfucking record. Yeah. You discriminated against, even though the rights have passed for you not to be discriminated against in the jobs and by color. You know what I'm saying? The Civil Rights Act and all this shit. Y'all ain't even got that set in stone yet. But y'all motherfuckers want to run around talking about some fucking guns. That's the problem. Yeah. Y'all want to talk about black women. Y'all sure do. Yeah, that's the problem. You need to be focused on that and getting that motherfucking taken care of before anything else. Your human rights as a black man, as a father, okay, as a husband, as a black man in America, you need to be trying to focus on those motherfucking rights and not no motherfucking gun right. Because that gun right ain't finna help you get up out of no domestic violence charges. And goddamn, you can't take that motherfucking gun right in the court, in child custody law, in child custody court, when you're fighting for your goddamn baby that you ain't never did nothing to. Love the baby to death, but it automatically just goes, all the rights and everything, damn near majority of the time goes to the mother. You've been working all your day and never hit her, ain't never did nothing to the baby, but you go take your ass in family court in America, your ass ain't getting no motherfucking rights whatsoever, and you got to prove to another man who got rights and he a judge over your motherfucking life and prove to him why you want to be in your child life and why he should give you your motherfucking rights. That gun law ain't finna help you get out of none of that. That's what the fuck you need to be worried about. You running around here talking about a gun, because guess what? I guess that's what make you feel more of a man. No, that shouldn't make you feel like no motherfucking man. Yeah, that should make you, without that gun, yeah, that just you as a man should be enough. Yeah, holding that gun shouldn't make you feel like shit. Yeah, so why you give a fuck about them taking it? Just you, whatever they take away from you, you should still be standing and still feel like you the man. Yeah. Why are you so worried about them taking that? Because that's who you are. That's who everything, as far as your whole being, confidence, ego, all of who you are as a man is dependent upon that. Yeah, because without it, what are you? Shit, without it, you should still be something. Yeah, but it don't sound like that to me. Yeah, what the fuck you give a fuck about that for? You got all these other things that y'all should be rallying together, coming together for to change these laws and these goddamn rights and shit when it comes to you guys. But yet y'all the majority ones out here talking about, yeah, they don't need to be taking our right, and got all the motherfucking excuses in the world why they shouldn't take the rights, and talking about other people and what they did and how that ain't got nothing to do with you and your personal life and why you need your motherfucking gun. And it just doesn't make sense, your whole excuse of why they shouldn't take your rights and why this about the gun. Look, your focus should not be no motherfucking gun at all. And while you motherfuckers talking about, I need to learn how to talk and this is a cussable situation and you gonna get this smoke just the way I'm giving it to you. Yeah, I'm not giving you no motherfucking lecture. Yeah, you gonna get all of this work. Yeah, you gonna get it just how I'm delivering this shit. If you don't like it, you go take your ass somewhere else and you go listen to somebody else's message. Because when you come over here, I'm not holding nothing. I ain't holding shit in. I'm letting all this shit out. Yeah, you got other things that you should be focused on other than something outside of your motherfucking self.